And that partnership, this is the deep part, does not mean that we have to be together. I will not love her any different if I find a woman and I'm getting married in 2 months, and if she finds a man who's the perfect partner she needed, I will not love her any differently. And for me, ideals that I was chasing and building from that put me into this to discover myself, I'm now actually at peace because I've found partnership. I've gone through the motherfucking grinder. Like, if you get the shit that we chase as men and people of what we think we want and experience that shit, to come through on the other side and know the truth of it, not a comic ideal, that's what it feels like, that looks good, I can relate to that, but the actual experience of power, love, happiness, unconditional type shit, and the work it takes to create that. I've fucking climbed that mountain. It's taken on a completely different value for me that has me no longer sacrifice my own truth, my own self, my own happiness. It is an amazing fucking thing. That is a great mountain that even is tattooed on my fucking skin. Like, that accomplishment is not going anywhere. I created this piece through all these conversations, knowing where we were and where we may end up. And that's the fucking beauty of it, is that's not going anywhere. I've attained that. And after having that, here's the caveat, right? The regret, chasing that feeling, to then get there, to climb that mountain. Shit, this actually ain't it. Can I do this for another decade on decade on decade on decade on decade, playing this character with the truth of me unfulfilled and unscratched? That's my hell no. I've done 14. I'm not doing another motherfucking 50, 80. I'm out to be here for 200 years, not committing myself away to play the character, to be the good Dwayne or whatever the world, mom, ideals, whatever the fuck I told myself I needed to be. I'm just gonna be fucking D. And the freedom, the love and fulfillment I have from that, and knowing for me that that dragon has been slayed.